these are the three simple things that will actually make your 2026 more productive and focused, and the results will be above your expectations. So watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. So today I'm going to share three steps that will actually make your 2026 better than every year. I'm going to share some of these steps which will actually make your 2026 different from every year you have ever noticed. Start this video. Okay, so basically at the starting of the year हम सब लोग बहुत सारे रेजोल्यूशंस करते कि हम ये करेंगे, हम वो करेंगे, हम ये हैबिट्स को बिल्ड करेंगे, हम वो हैबिट्स को बिल्ड करेंगे. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर वी डिड नथिंग. वी डिडंट इवन स्टार्ट विद building our habits. अब now ask yourself a question कि अब 2025 के स्टार्टिंग में आपने क्या सोचा था, what you had decided and what are you now? Did you achieve that things or did you build that habits which actually change your life? The answer, I know the answer which you will know, because मैंने भी कुछ चीज़ें डिसाइड की थी at the starting of the year, but वो चीज़ें नहीं फुलफिल हो पाई because I was not stick to my habits. I was not consistent with my habits. And ये same thing आपके साथ भी होती होगी बहुत बार. So today I'm going to suggest you these three things you have to start with. These are the small steps that will actually build your big results. So start your 2026 with these three things. So the first thing I want to suggest you to start with is diary. Yes, you have heard right, diary. You have to start with it just because सी एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द ईयर हमें पहले तो हम सारे रेजोल्यूशंस करते हैं, सारे हैबिट्स को डिसाइड करते हैं क्या क्या करना है हमें इस पूरे साल में, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन दिस होल ईयर. सो first of all start writing down your thoughts in your diary is the first step ever you will take to build your habit, just because first you have to express your thoughts in your diary, express your emotions, express your experiences, and whatever the things happening in throughout the day, you have to just write it down in your diary. What will it do? It will clear your mind, it will reduce your stress, and it will make you feel better. Just because now journaling also, I had already make one video in you can go and watch that, in which I explain everything about journaling. You can go and watch that video. So journaling, writing expressing your thoughts will actually helps you. We didn't even notice कि यार इतनी small चीज़ है, कैसे क्या हमें help करेगी habits को build करने के लिए. No, this will only actually helps you to build your habit. The second step I want to suggest you is this small to-do list diary. Ignore this design just because I made it at home. So you have to borrow one small diary to make your to-do list, like whatever the task you wanted to do in your whole day, start writing it down before night in your to-do list diary, just because it will help you, like what you are doing in your whole day, what all the tasks you are completing in your whole day, and it will actually helps you to track your habits. Just because see we are the human beings, we are always messed up with our lives. हमारे दिमाग में, हमारे माइंड में, हमारे ब्रेन में बहुत सारे थॉट्स एट ए टाइम चलते रहते हैं. सो टू एक्सप्रेस देम, अभी हम एंड we generally start our habits in the middle of the year. हम कभी भी हमारे habits को start करते, but we didn't track it. That's the reason we didn't stick to it. So start tracking your habits, start tracking your day, कि आप पूरे दिन में कर क्या रहे हो, what are the tasks you have completed, what are the tasks you didn't complete. So start writing down your task in your to-do list diary, which will actually helps you to track your day, track your whole day, what all the things you have done in your whole day. And last but not least, which is this kind of books like Atomic Habits. If you are the person who really want to build strong habits, good habits in your 2026, so start reading these kind of books. Or if you want anything, if you want any another genre books, you can read it out that books. See, reading out books will help you to get knowledge, will help you to build your routine different from other people. So we are at the end of the video. So guys, these were some of the simple stuffs I want to suggest you to start your 2026. But guys, note it down कि these stuffs will actually help you to build your strong habits, to build your good habits or to build your routine, क्योंकि हमारी routine से ही पता चलता है कि what will gonna achieve in our future. So this was the whole video about like these are the some of these things. I know that these are very small stuffs, but you have to start with small, but it will automatically lead you to the big results. So start, and for more such content, do follow me on Insta as well, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you in the next video, and definitely comment me like आप किस चीज से you are going to start 2026 with. See you in the next video.